Ready for day 4? Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome to Novira Designs. Today we are making different types of keychains. So, I won't waste your time. Let's get started. Let's start with the blue butterfly. I take a blue pipe cleaner and shape it into the upper wing shape, making that beautiful rounded top wing like a real butterfly. Then another piece for our lower smaller wings, connecting them all at the center. The blue butterfly shape is so elegant and bold. Creating this perfect shape of a butterfly is absolute stunning. I attach keychain ring at the top. In the center, I add a light blue pipe cleaner flower with a white pearl. The light blue flower against the blue wings, such a beautiful contrast. Our beautiful butterfly keychain is ready. Two butterflies, both so different, both so beautiful. Now let's make another keychain. It's my absolute favorite of today, the cherry bow keychain. First, the cherry part. I take red pipe cleaners and coil them tightly into small round balls, going round and round tight and compact. This creates those perfect little cherry shapes. I make 4 cherry balls, then I attach 2 green stems, one for each cherry. Now let's make a bow. I take green pipe cleaner and make 2 loops like a classic ribbon bow, crossing them in the center and securing tightly. Then I add a white pearl right in the center of the bow. Meeting at the top and connecting to the center of the bow. And look at this, a pipe cleaner cherry bow keychain. The green bow, the pearl and red cherries. This is genuinely the most adorable keychain I have ever made. I want to put this on everything. Three completely different styles, 3 different modes, all made from just a pipe cleaner. The black butterfly is for a bold girl, the blue butterfly for a cool aesthetic girls, and the cherry butterfly is for a cute girls. Which one are you? Comment below. That's it for today. I hope you like the video. Day 5 is going to be more prettier, more beautiful than the day 4. So like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And any guesses? Comment below. Thank you.